Doge builds bullish structure with higher lows as ETFs fail to wow. Technical analysis shows Doge breaking above resistance with a significant volume surge, indicating bullish momentum. Dogecoin's breakout coincided with the Wall Street debut of the first U.S. spot Doge ETFs. That came as Bitcoin zoomed above $91,000 late Wednesday, partly reversing last week's slide.Grayscale's GDOG launched on NYSE Arca with modest $1.41 million in day one volume and zero net inflows.Bitwise BWOW ETF also opened trading, expanding regulated pathways for traditional investors to access Doge. The launches follow months of accumulation at the 14-cent zone, where Doge held firm through repeated tests despite broader market volatility. Whale distribution from September through November had previously pressured price, but recent ETF-driven legitimacy helped stabilize sentiment across major memecoins. Doge's technical landscape strengthened as the token broke above multi-week resistance at $0.1525. The breakout was powered by a 135% volume surge, peaking at 616.9 M tokens, well above the 262.1 M daily average. The chart printed a sequence of higher lows at $0.1499 and $0.1548, forming a rising structure that validated the shift from consolidation to trend resumption. Hourly candles closed consistently above $0.1550, reinforcing bullish control while late-session consolidation suggested orderly positioning rather than profit-taking. The broader structure features an inverse head and shoulders completion targeting $0.179. Alongside a rising channel that remains intact above the 21-period EMA. A larger 12-hour falling wedge also points toward a potential move toward 27 cents if macro conditions remain supportive. Doge climbed from $0.152 to $0.155 over the 24-hour session, producing a 5.5% range across $0.0086 of movement. The decisive breakout occurred at 1700 hours on heavy buying, with prices pushing from $0.1478 to $0.1523 in 1 hour and establishing new support near $0.1548. The late session surge delivered a 12.1 M spike at $0.1553, 300% above hourly averages, before consolidating slightly below the peak into the close. Price now holds firm above newly reclaimed resistance turn support levels. Doge's ability to maintain support above $0.1548 sets the stage for a retest of $0.157, the next meaningful resistance. Sustained volume remains essential for confirming follow-through after the ETF-driven breakout. A failure back below $0.152 risks returning to the $0.1499 structural low, while holding the current rising channel keeps upside targets open towards 16 cents, $0.179, and ultimately 27 cents if the larger wedge pattern resolves.